Okay, we're here doing a video of the BO Lindeman. Just turned the gas on, and I'm going to do a cold start. It's about 50 degrees in here, and we're going to have Adi here working. Adi's working the choke from there, and then we've got this starting tool, and see if it fires off. Sounds real good, and we were out. I guess we're going to steer it a little bit. Steers real good. It's got this emergency shut off here that it's a switch. You could take it off, but the older gentleman who owned it beforehand, he had was in a large tractor club, and each machine in the shows had to have an emergency shut off just for safety in case something happened during the show, and it connects to the magneto there. But we kept it on. It can be removed or whatever. Any other comments, Adi, on steering it?
It actually steers pretty well. It's just I'm not real familiar with all the levers and all.
Right, you're not. This is only the second time he drove this, so I never drove one before, right? All right, well, there you have it. BO Lindeman from Tractor Town. Thank you.